So welcome back. This is Maribel's Food Adventure Part 2. So today me and my brother are going to go to this boba spot where they make the boba in-house, and it's actually called Wonzo. So I think I'm going to get the brown sugar milk tea. I'm doing my intro. So I'm thinking about getting this one, the Wonzo brown sugar, and I have no idea. I don't know which one my brother's getting yet. I'll put in the order now, and then we're gonna go to this Peruvian restaurant that one of my friends actually used to take us to, and I haven't had it in years, like literal years. So I'm finally gonna get some today, and I'll show you when we have our food here, or I'll get little clips, but I'm kind of shy to take my camera in, so I might not even take it in. But I'll show you guys when I have the products. So anyway, we got our boba. This is Wonzo. Here's your straw. So this is my brother's, like, Wonzo. He got like fruity boba. And then I got the brown sugar milk boba. So I got the brown sugar milk boba. Wonzo. Well, I don't know. If you guys get boba, don't forget you have to shake. Well, I don't know about yours because yours is already cold. But if you guys get, like, you know, milk tea bobas or something, shake it, because the boba is always hot in most cases. I don't know about this one. But shake it. Yeah, you can do it now. Mine looks good. Doesn't look like the picture, but it's good.
Hell yeah.
What is that, sandía? Oh, it smells good. I could smell it.
This is bomb. I
never get fruity drinks or fruity boba.
It's delicious.
I fucked that. My battery's dying. This is good. Tastes a lot like milk, but it's good. My camera's dying. Okay, so I totally forgot to switch out the battery and my camera's dying, so I don't think we're gonna get show you anything from Peruvian, but I'll probably get on my phone and probably I can't talk anymore. Okay, we're gonna go to get our I can't talk. Okay, my camera's dying. We're gonna go get the Peruvian food. I'll probably record with my phone or when we get home or something. Okay, bye. So this is what my brother got. I got the same thing, but he got his with noodles and mine's with rice. I'll put the name somewhere right here. Okay, so he's gonna try it. Hella, just a noodle. His first time ever. He's never had Peruvian food before. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
They have potato? What do you rate it? Out of 10.
I'll give it an 8.
Ooh, okay. So this is what I got. It has tomato, fries, beef, red onion, and some sauce. This is, I got it with rice. So I have been here before, but a couple years ago, and these are like the sauces that they gave me. I know this one's really spicy. The first time I actually had this, I thought it was guacamole, and it wasn't, and it was really spicy. I don't know how spicy these are, but I'm gonna try it. And I have had this before, so I know it's good. Yeah. So I already stained my shirt. Good thing you can't see it, but I mixed my... Ooh, this plate's wobbly. I mixed my rice in. Well, I didn't mix, but I poured it on there. Try it out. Wait, let me get one of everything. Is that it? This is hard. But look. Kind of looks gross, but... It's so good. You guys should try it. It's called lomo saltado. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's so good. It's so bomb. It tastes the same. Okay, so that was it for this video. Just 2 little quick spots we went to. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go try some Peruvian food. It's so good. Thanks for watching. Bye.